Alright, so it's really late. It's 8:47. I mean, that's not really late, but I haven't filmed anything today. I've got to admit, I'm kind of getting out of the Vlogmas. I love vlogging, but I'm kind of getting out of the spirit of it. One, not a lot of views on them anymore, so I feel like no one really wants to see it, but I'm still going to do it because I'm going to finish this out. I'm going to finish out strong. And today was pretty boring. It just pretty much consisted of grocery shopping. We went to Kroger tonight and did a lot of grocery shopping. Man, I hate how much more expensive organic stuff is. But we did some groceries. I went to Walmart earlier, did the rebate thing, and I also went to Sam's Club. I am worn out. I did a meal plan for this week, which I'm really, really excited about that meal plan. I'm going to try to follow it. We got some cookbooks, and there's some pretty good. I'm really wanting to get some new stuff back in my life. So, I actually could share that with you all, my planner for the week. So, I will show you all that briefly. Alright, so here's my planner this week. I really, really like how it turned out. I'm not done. I'll still go through and fill it out because more things will come up as the week goes on. Here I just have my weekly meal plan right here. I am trying new recipes. Christmas Eve, we always had like lunch meat sandwiches and stuff, and everyone else will eat it. But I'm just going to have, I found a recipe for a California chicken wrap. It's all homemade stuff. And it was actually a cookbook by this woman who had, I don't exactly know how to pronounce it, something colitis. It's along the same, it's not Crohn's, but it's, it's a chronic illness that, impacts the stomach like Crohn's. And I'm going to try some of her recipes this week. I'm going to make a gluten-free breaded with fake bread, but with some bread from online recipe, gluten-free and everything, mac and cheese. I'm going to have some of those tortilla chips, which I'm kind of sick of them, but I don't really know what else to do. Also going to have some deviled eggs. I found a recipe in that book as well for that. So all this stuff's organic ingredients, should all be healthy or whatever. I'm going to have that skillet. I made freezer dinners for that last week. Tuesday's Christmas. That's going to be a leap of faith. I don't know what to do. We'll have to figure that out. Wednesday, lots of leftovers and stuff. Cauliflower pizza with some homemade sauce. I found that on a keto site. So if any of you keto people, let me know what you think. I don't think that'll hurt. I talked to the nutritionist, and she said as long as I puree the vegetables, they should be fine. And I don't know about tomorrow. We're going to have to just see about what we do. And back here is a grocery list. So I really love it. This is the Happy Planner line. This helped me tremendously at Kroger tonight. So I loved that. Loved that so much. So I love that. My cousin and her husband got me that for Christmas. Here's just my inserts this week. Not much. Just a bunch of things I need to look into. And yes, I will talk about how I want to change coupon organization. Gonna do some baking on Monday. I just got this huge sticker. Some peanut butter fudge, all organic, and some sugar cookies. And just lots of stuff in here. So yeah, that's the planner for this week, and I will come back on the camera and explain to you some other stuff. Alright, so I am kind of in a dilemma, and if you've been on my channel for any length of time, you know I've struggled to find peace or whatever with a coupon organization method. I finally found, I finally found a binder that was huge. It's 5 inches, and I was just like, oh, I finally found the perfect thing, and it's just not. It busted open. It's busted open twice today. Like, the rings pop open. I can't take that anymore, honestly. I don't want to spend my time doing that. So, I am going to try. I need y'all's help on this, because I am going to go into this new year with a new method, and I'm not totally sure it's going to involve the binder like I'm doing it now. Number one, I can't use half those coupons anymore because, well, like before I found out I had Crohn's, I could eat whatever. But now, there's not really, I can't use the insert coupons, honestly, on these things. And number two, I noticed I use more printables now than ever before. In all honesty, I use way more printable coupons than insert coupons. So do I really, and I like cutting the coupons out, and I really enjoy clipping coupons, but at the same time, I'm just not sure it's what I really want to spend my time doing anymore, and I'm not sure it's beneficial. And I'm so sick of that binder. It popped open in Kroger tonight, and it popped open just at home when I picked it up. All of them on the personal care side fell out. It makes me sick because I just paid $21 for this binder at Staples. Yeah. But I've got to figure out what's going to work for me. So I'm thinking of multiple things here. Number one, and I need you all's help here. I want to hear what you do for coupon organization. I'm going to look on YouTube and stuff. My mom offered, I was mentioning it to her, and she told me, you know, she offered if I came up with something, I could tell her, and she'd go out and get it for Christmas, even though it's pretty last minute. If I could think of what I wanted to do. So I'm on the fence. I have the coupon box method here. At this point, I'm not sure it's the best. I'd still cut out every single coupon and I'd file it in that box. I'm not sure that's the best method for me. Honestly, I'm really not sure that's going to work. But it's an option. Number two, I used to do this a couple years ago. I had a huge binder. I would put the inserts in it or whatever, just the sheets, and I'd flip through it and then cut them out as needed from that. They were all visible and stuff, so that's nice. Or number three, I know a lot of people do this. This is like the method of choice. They get one of those file boxes with the handle and everything, really nice file box. I saw them at Walmart today. And you use those hanging file folders and you put the coupons in it. And with either the binder thing, I'm not wanting to take, and that's the only issue, because I like to find clearance deals, and that's a hard thing for me to give up. So I want to know how you all handle this. I want to be able to get it on clearance, so that's the hard part. I would probably add one of those little accordion folder things with me. Those little accordion folders. The little, not the big accordions, like the little canceled check file things. And put in cut off the coupons that I think I'd use. And like put printable coupons there, tear pads, blinkies. That's what I do for things like that. Put it in a little canceled check file, and that's what I take in the store. So that's one of my little dilemma is. I want to hear in the comments, what's your coupon organization method? Should I try to stick this binder thing out and keep cutting every single coupon in case I find clearance? Do you think I should switch to the whole insert method again? I don't know what to do. Because back when I was doing, before I got sick, I could use a lot of those food coupons, but I really can't use any of them anymore. And the select ones I could use, I feel like it'd be more beneficial if I put them in the canceled check file and just had them and it was more easy to access. Maybe do 2 canceled check files, one for HBA, one for food, something like that. I don't know. I'm more inclined to cut out all of the health and beauty coupons still and maybe run a separate binder, or I could do a mini coupon binder. I thought about that. Maybe doing a mini coupon binder, and my idea, putting it in this little planner box, or little planner insert. It still has a bunch of old inserts in it from back when I used this planner. But what I'm thinking about doing, I could cut up those baseball card sheets and put them in here, and take this in the store with me, and I could put the select food coupons, or I could just do the canceled check file. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but I do like the idea of using this. It's a mini binder, and I think using a mini binder for just those few coupons I know I'd use, because they're still visible to me, I can see them, and then like having a file box with my inserts, not cutting them all up. So here's my plan. I do want to know y'all's feedback, so I'm explaining it. My goal maybe is to get a file box and get the hanging file folders, look through the inserts, cut out the ones that I think I could possibly use, put them in that mini binder. That's what I take to the store. And that's what I take to the store with me. And then I keep the other inserts intact. Then what I do is if I'm coming with an Ibotta haul and I don't have a coupon cut out, my thing is, alright, what I'll do is I will get that coupon, cut it out, and take it to the store with me. I think that's a plan. The only thing is the clearance is a bummer. I don't exactly know how I deal with clearance. I guess what I could do is leave it in the car as kind of a backup, because I usually never go to the store by myself. I just don't. And I pretty much would still cut out the bulk of the HBA coupons, is what I think I'd do. So I think that sounds pretty good. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I'm just sick of it. I know my grandma actually had a planner insert with handles on it, like a planner binder with handles. So I really think that's what I'm more inclined to do, is do something like that instead of lugging around this humongo binder and then adding in a whole insert method. But let me know what you all think, because I'm open to any feedback that you all have. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. I really hope you enjoyed. Give me your feedback. And, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I promise I'll try to make tomorrow a bit more interesting. So, thank you so much for watching.